Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Hulu account for watch history, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser on your device. In the address bar, type in www.hulu.com and press enter. Once the page loads, look for the login button at the top right corner of the home page. Click on the login button to be directed to the login page. On the login page, you will see fields for your email and password. Enter the email address associated with your Hulu account in the first field. Next, input your password in the second field. Double-check both entries to ensure they are correct. If you want to stay logged in, check the box that says Remember Me. After confirming your details, click on the login button below the password field. Once logged in, you will be redirected to your Hulu homepage. To view your watch history, navigate to your profile icon in the upper right corner. Click on your profile icon to open a drop-down menu. From the menu, select Account to access your account settings. In the account settings, look for the Watch History section. Click on Watch History to view the list of shows and movies you've watched. Here, you can see all your recent viewing activity on Hulu. If you wish to clear specific items from your watch history, locate the options next to each title. Click on the appropriate option to remove items from your history as needed. Once you've managed your watch history, you can return to your home page or log out if you're finished. To log out, click on your profile icon again and select Log Out. Following these steps will help you effectively manage your Hulu account and watch history. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.